When it comes to the 2024 pair versus the 2019 pair, there are a few subtle differences. For example, the 2024 pair has regular laces in there, but we do have fat chunky laces as well, which I will be keeping in the shoe as the main lace after I do my lace swap. But what does stay true to the originals is the monochromatic look. As you can see, like I said earlier, this pair is all white, and that stays true to the fuchsia pair and moss pair. The only difference is the black pair is black with white. When it does come to the original 2024 pairs though, you can see that my pair is not monochromatic because I have yellow on the left and blue on the right, but you did have the option to make the monochromatic pairs. A lot of the resellers was just making the all black or the all white pair to sell on GOAT and StockX. But me, mine was for on feet, so I put on colors that I really wanted. Now, let's quickly get into the 2019 pair. When it came to the 2019 editions of the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force Ones, you did have a ton of customization options. So for example, you could choose between black and white. Obviously I chose white, and you did have the option to choose between Air Flea or Air Sunshine. Obviously I chose Air Sunshine. You also had the ability to choose between what the tongue material was. I chose leather because I feel like leather just has that high quality look and feel other than the nylon. But when it comes to the 2019 pair, I do have a nylon tongue, and there was no choice between nylon or leather, as you know. You also had the ability to pick between what color the 3M underlays were. I chose blue and yellow, but I know you had an option between red, white, black, and orange if I'm not mistaken. These dropped back in 2019 when I was in college, and it took me around 2 hours to get my pair. They kept selling out and glitching out on the site, but I finally managed to secure my pair in my size 12 on the Nike by You website. Taking a quick look at the 2019 pair's box, as you can see, it says Nike by Chris because that's me. Continuing the discussion of the 2019 versus the 2024, the leather quality is pretty much the same. What I do notice is that the sizing and placement of the lettering is a bit different. I'm pretty sure on the 2019 pair that the font is just a tad bit bigger, maybe a centimeter or two. Also, on the 2024 pair, the 3M is much more stronger. I'm not sure if it's because they use a better 3M material or just because on my 2019 pairs, my 3M is colored. The final difference that can be noticed is that on the 2019 pair, the ankle liner is way more padded than on the 2024 pair. As you can see, if you look right here, a lot of padding, barely any padding.